Kia ora koutou. Now I'm galloping down this hill, well, tottering down this hill. See the previous video, or the video about me climbing a big hill, for the context and where I am. But this fence, which is to keep out predators, not the aliens, is making a really groovy sound when the wind whistles through it. And now I've mentioned that the wind's died off, but I wanted you to hear it. Yep, it's died off. Amazing sound of bird song. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, because this is basically, it's a bird sanctuary, because you don't really have mammals in New Zealand. Well, you do now because they've been introduced, and this is a place, this fence is to keep out the mammals, what they call predators, what they mean things like mice. You can hear it, and the birds. And let's show you, that's where I filmed the previous video. At the top there, that's the very summit of this hill, but it's quite a long way down still to go, and you can see how close the sun is to the horizon, so I need to trot on. But I hope you got at least a couple of seconds of that sound. I'm not sure if it came across. And we've got a plane going over. Typical, isn't it? That's a cow down in the valley making that noise. That's my way home. So I'll have to call it a day there, because I need to get back. I'll have to listen through to this, whether you can actually get that wind sound or not, but hopefully you enjoyed the view. Even though it's not that different to the previous video. Hopefully you got the bird song, because obviously it's getting towards dusk, and the birds like to do their final song rehearsals. So see you in the next one. That could be a video about almost anything. Might be about retroactive jealousy, might be about psychology, might be, oh, here we go. I don't know why I'm turning the camera towards the fence. That won't help me get the sound, will it? Yeah, you can maybe hear a plane, but also the wind. So, I'm going down, and I'll see you later. Rangi Marie.